User inputs in Python. Create a program that asks the user to enter their name and their age. Print out a message addressed to them that tells them the year that they will turn 100 years old. First of all, we have to ask the user for their name. To do that, we're going to create a variable called name. And we're going to set that equal to 2 sets of parentheses. In the first one, we'll write input because we want the user to input their name. And in the second set, we're going to write enter your name. And this will be printed out on the terminal, and so the user can enter their name after it. But since we want the name to be a string or in letters, we have to write str, which is short for string in Python. Next, we have to ask for their age. Let's set that equal to 2 sets of parentheses. In the first one, we write input because we want the user to input their age. And then we're going to write enter your age in quotes. Okay, but since we want the age to be an integer or a number, we're going to write int at the beginning, which is short for integer in Python. Now, the current year is 2022. And let's say that someone was born in 2010. The year that they will turn 100 will be 100 plus 2010. So we're going to subtract. So we're actually going to create a variable called year or birth year. And we're going to set that equal to 2022 minus the age. So say someone is 10 and the current year is 2022. 2022 minus 10 is 2011. 2012. So that will give the birth year of the person. And to get 100 years later, we have to add 100 to the birth year. So 100th year is equal to the birth year minus plus 100. And that will print in quotes, you will turn 100 in the 100th year, which is 100 years later than their birth year. So the 100th year. And now let's test out this program. Okay, enter your name. Enter your age. Let's say 21. You will turn 100 in 2101. And this is how you can use user inputs to make a simple program like this.